Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It's Friday, September 23rd. I hope everyone had a wonderful week and that you're ready for a weekend filled with crafting and other fun stuff, hopefully. This weekend is my son's birthday, so we're going to go visit him at school and take him out to dinner and give him some presents. So that'll be fun. It's birthday time in my family, so he's among one of the people who's having a birthday. So he will be 19. I can't believe it. My baby. So anyway, I have been doing some crafting this week. That reminds me I have to make him a card. I've been doing some crafting and I did do some shopping and got some orders in. So I'm looking forward to showing you everything. The first thing is this paper pack from Zulily. If you've been watching my previous hauls, I pick these paper packs up from Zulily from time to time. And these are AC cardstock. It comes with 60 sheets, 20 colors, 3 of each, and they're 12 by 12 textured papers. I love these because they're solid core, so they're really great to use in 3D projects or even just in your everyday die cutting. And this is the winter selection. So this one comes with all of these pretty colors. I like the different shades of blue that were in there. There's like some dark grays and light grays too, even some whites. It's nice to have some white textured paper sometimes. And there are pretty pinks, a couple of purples. So I thought this would be good to add to my collection. They're really easy to store the way they have them in these like cardboard boxes. So these are the colors that it comes with. Really, really pretty. I haven't used any yet, just got it the other day. But glad to add that to my collection. Sometimes people have found these at Tuesday Morning. They're about $14.99 on Zulily, and I'm pretty sure at Tuesday Morning too. So in case you're looking, they're sporadically available on Zulily. So I won't link them, but if you go on Zulily and search for AC cardstock, if they're available, they'll show up. The next items are from AliExpress, and I got 2 kinds of cabochons from a store called Exquisite Collecting Store, and they put them in one bag. So let me show you both of them. The first one are these like little like meringue or icing hearts, and I have these in like the dollop shape, but I saw the heart shape and I thought that would be really fun. So I got these. They came in a pack of 12. They also have other colors, but I just wanted the white. They're only, let's see, I think they were $1.97 for 12, so not bad with free shipping. I thought these would be nice to add to like gingerbread or hot chocolate or coffee projects, so I got those. And then the other item I got were these, I thought they were different kind of peppermints. They're yellow, and then they have pink and aqua trim, or not trim, but like candy swirls on them. Isn't that pretty? These were 12 also, and these were $2.17. I think these came in like traditional colors too, but I thought these would be fun. So there's that, and I'll link these down below definitely. And then also from Ali, I got these I got these polymer clay candy sticks, and I got these before I figured out how to make my own pastel candy canes, but I could only find like pink ones in this straight shape. So my idea or theory was I could heat these up in my toaster oven and then just kind of bend them into a candy cane shape and then they dry. But that does not work. I tried that and they just kind of get kind of rubbery and they spring back into shape. So don't try it. And they made me cough when I took them out of the toaster. So I don't know what kind of fumes I was making, and I took one for the team. Don't try it. So those were, anyway, that was 100 pieces and it was $4.25. They're 2 by 18 millimeters. So I will use these in my crafting. You can even cut these apart into like little sprinkles. So, and these were from a different place, but I'll link them down below. Just don't heat them up. All right, I went back to Walmart. They keep putting out more Christmas stuff, which is fun. So I go there anyway to do food shopping, so might as well look in the Christmas section, right? So last week I had gotten that like a gingerbread wooden spoon ornament. It was the clay one. They put out a couple different utensils. I got this one, which is like a little spatula. I thought he was really cute. Again, they're $2.48. So adorable. I love these like baking themed clay gingerbread ornaments. So there's that one, and then there's a whisk too. And the whisk is filled with like white clay, which is a good idea to keep the whisk part like straight and everything. So there's those two. Adorable, right? So I got those, and I don't know where I put the other one. It's somewhere in my craft room, otherwise I would get it out to show you. But last week I got the wooden spoon one. And then I found this. I thought this was adorable. This is a little tree that you can set up in the stand that it comes with, and then it comes with all these little ornaments to hang on there. Isn't that cute? And this was only $6.98, 20 count mini tree set. So yeah, this was I've never seen anything like this before. And then I thought if you wanted to, you can paint these to match your decor, but I do like the the traditional colors. Sorry guys, my allergies are bothering me today. It's really nice and cool out, but sometimes that gets my allergies going, so I'll take it though. Anyway, this was $6.98, which I thought was not a bad price, and it just looks so cute and nostalgic, you know. This guy's turned around. Just check them out. They're different. You know, there was a whole bunch of them. Some of them, the faces look kind of wonky, so I went and looked through one that I thought looked the best. So there's that. Adorable, right? All right, that's all from Walmart. Michael's, I had ordered online a new 6x6 paper pad to match that pretty pastel ephemera I got. I think it's called Holiday Romance, but apparently it's not in my store yet, even though it said it was in stock. It's just like not put out yet. So they canceled that part. I'll go back and get that whenever. But then I did order these. These are markers, dual tip dot and fine markers. So these, they're water-based. I got them just for like journaling or, you know, like coloring and stuff. So one end does dots, which I thought would be great for journaling. And also when I make lists, I'd like to put a dot like ahead of whatever I'm, you know, listing. So I thought these would be fun to do that. And I know that there are like expensive brands that you could get on Amazon, but I figured I'd just start with the Artist Loft version. I think they were $9.99, but I had a 20% off coupon and used that. So I'll give those a try. If anyone's used those, let me know how you like them. All right, scrapbook.com, I got my order in. I totally forgot to order the 6x8 fancy pants cookies for Kringle paper. That was like the one thing I really wanted to get. I didn't get it. So anyway, it's probably out of stock by now. I'll go check. I did get this embossing powder from Ranger, and this one's called Liquid Platinum. I thought that was a really neat color. I meant to try to do an example before my haul, but I haven't gotten to it yet. But once I do, I'll show you guys. So I thought it looked like kind of like a silver taupe color. So I got that. And then I got this Lawn Fawn clear glaze, sparkle glaze. Now I have the clear one in the pen, but I figured the sparkle would be good for holiday projects. See the sparkle on that? And I do love the clear one, so I picked this one up, and hopefully it works just as well because that stuff is great. The next item is this pretty blending brush. I think it was Natalie, my Crafty Carousel, who showed this. I'm not quite sure, but it's a precise blending brush by Dress My Craft. And this one is really neat because, let me open this up and I'll show you. But it has like an extra set of bristles that come out the top. Hold it like that, see? So that's pretty cool. You know, it'll get into like a smaller area, and it's pink. So I picked that up. They had like regular size ones, and they had sets of 4, but I figured I would start with this and see how it works out. So again, that's Dress My Craft Precise Blending Brush. I also picked up a couple things of like sequins or shaker bits from Dress My Craft. And look how tiny this container is. This is Sparkling Musical Notes. And I have not seen music note sequins before, but I thought these would be great to add to like birthday projects, or I have some musicians in my family, so I could use this for, you know, their cards or shakers or whatever. And it looks like there's 8th notes, 16th notes. What else? or those quarter notes. I don't know. I don't remember what the notes are. But anyway, they're music notes. I guess it really doesn't matter unless you're trying to write out a song, right? So anyway, thought those are really pretty, and I picked those up. And then the next one I got is this one, and this one is called Snowy Christmas. And this has a whole bunch of different like clay bits and little pearls, big and small. It's got snowflakes, little snowmen, stockings. I think there's Santas in there, candy canes. Oh, there's a big pearl in there. And then just like little sprinkles too. So these would be good to use individually or, just to add to a shaker. These pearls are probably too big for a shaker, the big ones, but I'll use them for something else. So I just love these little containers too. They're so cute. So there's that. And then I got some buttons and bells. You can hear the bells. I picked up these from the Paper Boutique. I love their buttons. They have really pretty different buttons. So this is, these are like acrylic clear, but they have like gold glitter in them, stars, and they have 4 holes too. So I thought those would be nice to add to Christmas projects. 25 buttons. This is called, well, I don't know, but that's a product number. Just Christmas Adventure, I guess. And then the bells I got from them, I think these were on clearance and that's why I picked them up. But they're really nice, like matte silver color. So you could use these just as is, or of course you can paint them or add some like Nouveau embellishing mousse to them, just to add a little hint of another color. So these are the mini bells by Paper Boutique. I guess that's a collection, Crafting Adventure, or Christmas, Crafting Adventure, Christmas Adventure. And there's mini bells and buttons. So there's that. And then I picked up these little pom-poms from the Mittens and Mistletoe collection by Crate Paper. I love the little size of them. And this pink is like, it's not like a really light pink. It's kind of like a dusty pink, which is kind of weird. But I like the red and the ones with like the little spikes or whatever coming out of them. Very cute. But I'm sure that pink will match the, pink that's in some of the Crate Paper collections. And then I got the puppy stickers for Luna, because I think when I ordered them from Frank, they were out of these or they weren't in yet, so I never picked them up. So I got these finally. I just love the little candy corn faces. It's so cute. And I also got this version of the puppy stickers. And these are all the little banners, and just very cute. I'm sure you've all seen those before. And then I picked up the shaker bits too, the Luna confetti. So it comes with little black cats, they're clay. And then these candy corns, I think they're pink and orange and yellow. I'm not quite sure, but it looks kind of pink there, doesn't it? And then there are little pink hearts. Of course, you could use these anytime. I love this one. This one has clay jack-o'-lanterns and yellow stars. They look like they might glow in the dark. And then there are moons too, and black like sprinkles. So this is a good set to have. And there's a good amount in here too, 10 grams per bag. Not bad. And I think that was it from scrapbook.com. Yeah, that's it. And then the only other thing I wanted to show you is something I picked up from Hobby Lobby yesterday, just part of their Christmas decor they're putting out. And these are Johanna Parker salt and pepper shakers, Mr. and Mrs. Claus. I have the snowman ones that came out like this, and they did have those again this year, but I don't think I have these, the Santa and Mrs. Claus. I love the pastel Christmas that she does. This was $9.99. They have so many cute pastel Christmassy things out already. I have so much, so I'm trying not to buy that much. And I figured the salt and pepper shakers, I could always squeeze them into my decor, and they won't take up too much space in storage. That's my thing. I have storage space, but after a while it all builds up. So I don't want to buy any more big things. So little salt and pepper shakers you could squeeze in, of course. So that is it for my haul this week. I have a few orders coming in, so those will probably be in like over the weekend or early next week. So I'll be able to show you in next week's haul. I have some design team projects I'm working on for Scrap Diva Designs that are coming out really cute. I can't wait to show you those. And of course, other things that will, more videos. I made a lot of videos this week. I was pretty proud of myself that I could get all of those out. So I hope you've been enjoying them. If you haven't caught up with them, go ahead and look at my old videos, the previous videos, and you can see what I came out with this week. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your subscriptions and your thumbs up and all of your nice comments. It always means so much to me. You guys are the best, and you make me feel really good by, your interactions. So that's enough rambling. I will let you guys go. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful weekend. I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.